Hi guys! Welcome sa SIP 9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on solving rational equations. No? So sa previous video, ang pinag-aralan natin is paano ba mag-solve ng rational equations na ang kanilang denominator ay integers. No? So dito medyo may konting pagkakaiba dahil kasama na yung unknown, no? Yung may mga letters na sa denominator. No? So paano naman natin isosolve pag ganon? Let's have our first example, 1/4 plus 1 over x equals 1/6. So dito, meron tayong 4, meron tayong 2, tsaka meron tayong 4, meron tayong 6, tsaka meron tayong x, no? So yung 4 and 6 muna, kukunin natin yung LCM niyan. So magiging, we divide by 2. We divide by the smallest prime number. So 2, and then we have 3, no? So pag prime numbers yung quotient, no, tapos walang nauulit, i-multiply na lang natin yung mga numbers na yan para makuha natin yung LCM. So 2 times 2 times 3. Puro na kasi prime yan, di ba? 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So magiging 12, no? So ang tanong ba ay 12 ba yung ating LCM? No, kasi meron pa tayong x. So pag sinabi natin LCM, multiple siya dapat. Multiple siya ng 2, multiple siya ng 3, pero hindi siya multiple ng x kasi wala naman tayo nakikita ng x dito. Ibig sabihin, kailangan natin siya lagyan ng x. So here, our LCM is 12x. LCM is 12x. So kagaya ng sa previous videos, ginagawa natin para matagal yung denominators ay we multiply everything, no, by the LCM. So, sabihin multiply natin ng 12x yung left-hand side saka yung right-hand side ng equation. Okay? So, para magkaroon tayo ng fraction, yung 12x, pwede natin gawing 12x over 1. Pag yung isang expression nilagyan mo ng over 1, hindi naman yung nagbabago yung kanyang value o yung expression mismo kasi that expression divided by 1 is still that expression. So, para lang magkaroon tayo ng denominator. So, we distribute 12x. So, 12x times 1/4 plus 12x over 1 times 1 over x. No? So, dinistribute natin yan. Equals 12x over 1 times 1 over 6. So, pag nag-multiply tayo ng rational expression, may numerator at denominator, i-minumultiply lang natin yung numerator and then the denominator. So 12x times 1 is 12x, and then 1 times 4 is 4. And then 12x times 1 is 12x, and then 1 times x is x. Then 12x times 1 is 12x, and then 1 times 6 is 6. Okay, so makikita natin 12 over 4. Ibig sabihin yan 3, di ba? This is 3. This is 3, tapos meron tayong x, meaning 3 times x, which is 3x, and then we have a plus here, 12x over x, makaka-cancel yan, magiging 1, so 12 times 1 over 1, this is just 12, tapos ito naman ay magiging 12 divided by 6 is 2, tapos meron tayong x dito, so 2x, okay? So, ayaw natin gusto natin yung x nasa kaliwa. So, we can subtract 2x from both sides. Okay? So, minus 2x din dito. So, 3x minus 2x is just x. Tapos, may plus 12 pa tayo dito. So, that's x plus 12 equals 0. Tapos, para x na lang yung matira sa left-hand side, we subtract 12 from both sides, no? 0 minus 12. So, meaning, x equals negative 12. Okay, so, pwede nyong i-check, no? If you substitute negative 12 dito sa x and see if it's a solution, no? Pag dapat mag-i-equal sila, no? And, solution yan, pero if you want to verify, pwede nyo i-substitute. Okay, ganun din dito. Meron tayong denominators na 2, 3, 3x, tsaka x, no? So, yung 2 and 3, obviously 6 yan, di ba? 2, 3, and 2, 3, and 3, di ba? So, divide by 2, or divided by 3, divided by 2, that's 1, 3, 3, tapos divided by 3, that's 1, 1, 1. So, 6 yan, di ba? 2 times 3 is 6 pag minultiply natin. Tapos, meron tayong x, no? Meron tayong mga x. So, sapat na ba yung 6x? We have to check, no, kung ang 6x ba ay 6x divided by x by walang remainder, 6x divided by 3 by walang remainder, 6x divided by 3x by walang remainder, 6x divided by 2 by walang remainder. So, pag walang remainder yan, pwede na yung maging LCM, no? So, ang LCM natin dito ay LCM ay 6x. Kung medyo nahirapan kayo dito sa LCM, panoorin yung series natin on rational expressions kasi nandoon yung detalye niyan, no? We multiply both sides by 6x, no? 6x times 2 over x plus 1/3 equals 6x times 4 over 3x minus 1/2. So again, by distributive property, we have 6x over 1. Nag-over 1 din tayo times 2 over x plus 6x over 1 times 1/3, no? Equals 6x over 1 times 4 over 3x minus 6x over 1 times 1/2. We multiply both the numerator and the denominator. We have 12x over x. So 12x over x plus 6x over 3. No, ito, 6x over 3 equals 24x yan, over 3x minus 6x over 2. Pwede kayo mag-cancel dyan, no? Pero pag tinuro ko pa kasi yung cancellation dito, masyado tayong tatagal, no? So, 12x over x, makakancel to, magiging 12 plus, yung 6 over 3 is just 2, tapos may x pang kasama. So, this is equal to, makakancel yan, 24 divided by 3 is just 8. And then minus, we have 6x over 2 is just 3x. Okay, so 3 yan, tapos may x kang kasama. Okay, so paano na to? Okay, pwede nating mag-plus 3x sa both sides. So, 2x plus 3x, no? May 12 pa tayo dito equals 8 minus 3x plus 3x, which is 0 na yan, di ba? So, magiging 12 plus 5x equals, yung minus 3x saka plus 3x, 0 na yan. This is equal to 8. So, 5x, 12 plus 5x minus 12 equals 8 minus 12. No? I subtracted 12 from both sides. This is 5x kasi yung 12 minus 12 magiging 0. And this is negative 4. And therefore, x is, to get the value of x, we divide both sides by 5, which means that x equals 4/5, negative 4/5. Okay, so you can check if it is indeed the solution, no, to the given. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. Sana ay meron kayo natutunan. Gusto ko yung invite sa ating website sa zip9.com at sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/zip9ph. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next video. Okay.